Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I wanted to share a few Christmas gifts that I picked up from me to me. So a few Christmas gifts for myself. I picked up a few items from Louis Vuitton, as well as a few Tiffany items. The Louis Vuitton items are new, and then the Tiffany items are some retired, pre-loved pieces. So if that sounds interesting, stick around and I will unbox them and share them with you. So the first item is right here in this small Louis Vuitton box. So this is something I've actually been looking at since it came out, and I haven't been able to score it until now. So I'm really excited about this. This is definitely a piece I'm going to use every day. And it came with a little Christmas gift tag, which I thought was really cute. And it is the reverse monogram card holder. So I love this. I love the reverse monogram, and I recently picked up the Pochette Matisse in reverse, so I thought this would be the perfect card holder to go with that bag. And I actually have the classic version of this card holder, but I'm planning to gift that to someone this holiday season. So I'm kind of trading up for this reverse monogram, and then I am going to give away my monogram to somebody who I hope will really enjoy that. So I'm excited, and I think it's really, really beautiful, this particular one. Let's see if I can get the stamping on here. So it has a foil kind of gold stamping, and this one is made in France. It's perfect. It looks just like my classic monogram, just with that beautiful pop of kind of caramel colored reverse monogram. And so here is my reverse Pochette Matisse, and you can see it matches perfectly. So cute. I'm very excited to use these together. And then the next item is here in this larger box. And now this is something that I wasn't sure I was ever going to pick up, but I saw it become available and I thought, you know what, let's just go for it. Let's test it out. And it is the Toiletry 26 in the classic monogram print. And the reason I wasn't sure about this piece is because it is quite large. It doesn't actually fit in the Pochette Matisse or in my Speedy 25 that I have. So it's really more of a clutch and more to go inside of my Tiffany tote bags that are larger. But I think this is a really classic piece. It's something that will never go out of style. And I love how roomy it is. I think it will be perfect for travel and even just using as a little clutch. I've seen people turn this into a little crossbody, which I do think is cute. And I've actually already popped in my pochette accessoire just to kind of keep it filled. So I did pop that in there. And so the Toiletry 26 does have this really nice wipeable lining, which I appreciate. If you're putting makeup or any sort of toiletry items in here, that is super helpful. And to kind of show you here, it does have the Vachetta tab, and this one is also made in France and absolutely beautiful. I love it. I would eventually like to get probably the Toiletry 15 so that I can actually pop it inside of my handbags, but I figured the Toiletry 15 is so similar in size to the mini pochette that I'm gonna wait on that because this is really, really useful. I use this all the time. It's always in my handbag, so. But yeah, so it's just really, really beautiful, just a classic piece. Yeah, just something I'm excited to add to my Louis Vuitton collection, small but growing collection. And now the next item is a Tiffany item, and this is I actually picked up pre-loved. So it is a retired design, but oh, how stunning. So this is, I believe it was called the Morgan clutch, and it is in a lizard metallic gold leather. and it is just so stunning. So it does have the gold hardware with the Tiffany logo. It's like a little lock closure, and it has that beautiful Tiffany blue calfskin lining. So this is just a beautiful evening or special occasion bag. When we go back to having holiday parties, maybe next year, I do think this would be the perfect bag to bring along to a holiday party or a New Year's Eve party. You know, the metallic is subtle on this, so it's not super loud, but it is just beautiful. So I just thought this was a nice piece to add to my collection, and it's small enough that it could pop inside of another bag if I wanted, but I definitely plan to use this as more of a clutch. You know, and the shape on this, it's so structured and beautiful, and it's just kind of that perfect size for a handheld clutch. And then the final piece that I picked up pre-loved, I'm actually wearing. So it is this Tiffany alphabet lock charm here, and I picked it up in the letter L, which my first name is Lauren, if you guys didn't know, so that is my initial. And I just thought it would make the perfect addition to my charm bracelets. And these little lock charms are spring-loaded, so you can actually open it and pop it right on or off any bracelet or necklace, which I love. There are some people who choose to get this type of charm soldered onto their bracelet so that it could never pull loose and lose it. But honestly, I prefer being able to change my charms out, and I'm just really careful when I wear my bracelet. So I choose to keep it spring-loaded and functional, but it's just a classic, really beautiful charm that I can wear all year round. So I have it on my holiday bracelet right now, which I did do a video recently showing you how I put together my Tiffany charm bracelet. If that sounds interesting, I will link that above for you guys. But yeah, I thought this would make a really nice addition. So there was my little holiday haul to myself. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I also hope you have a wonderful holiday despite this year being kind of crazy. You know, I hope you take some time for yourself and your family, and Merry Christmas, or whatever holiday you celebrate, or if you don't celebrate and you're just taking this time to relax, enjoy it. You deserve it. We made it through 2020 almost. So again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.